ready to kick off this webinar. So let's make this a productive and an insightful session. By the way, my name is Chris. I'm the sales manager here at Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated. And for this morning, the title of our webinar is Cutting Cost with Precision. So, Tekla solution to inaccurate material takeoffs. Now, we want you to picture this. You're deep into a construction project and your material estimates are off. Probably too much yung na-order and it's burning your budget, or too little that it results to grinding your progress to a halt. No, so it's a costly problem that we've all faced, and today we're tackling it head on with Tekla's game-changing tools. Material takeoffs are basically the foundation of accurate cost estimation, but traditional methods often leave room for error. And that's where Tekla steps in. So, leveraging advanced BIM technology to deliver precision through detailed 3D models that calculate exact material needs. Uh, so, think of steel, concrete, and all the materials that we use in construction. So think of less waste, lower cost, and the smoother project flow. And that's what we're going to show you. So leading us through this topic is our speaker, Engineer Jerome Tungol. Jerome is a seasoned professional with deep expertise in construction technology, especially Tekla Solutions. As a senior solutions consultant and account manager with a proven track record, Jerome has helped countless teams harness tools like Tekla to optimize workflows and boost their profitability. So in this session, Engineer Jerome Tungal will unpack how Tekla eliminates takeoff inaccuracies and offer practical tips you can apply to your projects. So whether you're a contractor, an estimator, or a fabricator, you'll walk away with strategies to save time and save money, most especially. So let's begin with the webinar. Sir Jerome, you can now take the stage.
Thank you, sir. But before this, we would like to introduce our company, Vibrant Technology Solution. I'm gonna play a short for primer for you to familiar with our company, which is the Vibrant Technology Solution.
Deeply ingrained in the building and construction industry. Vibrant. Vibrancy is a concept that is deeply ingrained in the building and construction industry, evoking progress, growth, and innovation. We are Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated, drawing inspiration from this dynamic spirit. The founders of Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated set out to revolutionize the construction industry with a bold vision and a commitment to harnessing the power of technology in construction. Since our inception in 1999, Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated, also known as VTS, has been relentlessly and effectively channeling opportunities to our customers to grow and succeed. We are the sole reseller of Tekla Solutions by Trimble since year 2000. As the sole reseller of Tekla Solutions by Trimble, VTS offers a comprehensive range of cutting-edge products and services to the building and construction industry. Our solutions include Tekla structures, Tekla tabs, Tekla PowerFab, Tekla EPM, Tekla Structural Designer, SketchUp Pro, and Trimble Connect. We also provide solutions for enhanced project visualization through augmented and mixed reality. Our solution for AR and MR includes XR10 with HoloLens 2 and Trimble Connect AR. VTS is the only authorized training and Tekla Professional Certification Center in the Philippines. In addition, we also provide linear construction material optimization solutions. We offer Raiden Systems, CP Manager, and AutoNest so that construction leaders can optimize their material usage, minimize waste, and streamline their production processes. Overall, we are entrusted by Trimble Inc. with the sales, marketing, business development, and technical support across Trimble's building solutions portfolio. We are one of the leaders of this technology. We at VTS believe that customer engagement and enjoyment are just as important as delivering top quality solutions. We take pride in channeling opportunities and in fostering a strong sense of community amongst our clients. At the heart of our business, we place a strong emphasis on cultivating meaningful relationships with both our existing and new clients. Our commitment to customer service is unwavering, and we take pride in providing easy to approach local support that is always reliable and transparent. Our goal is that when people think of Tekla Solutions, they immediately think of VTS, a trusted partner and industry leader that is dedicated to helping our customers achieve their goals and reach new heights of success. Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated, channeling opportunities. Tekla Solutions by Trimble. Still different, but always better.
Thank you, Sir Chris, and welcome everyone. And thank you for joining us today. Again, I'm Jerome Toon, an account manager from Vibrant Technology Solution. And today we'll explore cutting costs with precision, Tekla solution, to inaccurate material takeoffs. So in this session, we'll show you how Tekla structures can streamline your material takeoff process. With this, we can eliminate inaccuracies and reduce costs. Material takeoffs are vital to your project success, but they often come with error and efficiencies. Tekla solution offers to ensure precision, minimize waste, and optimize their timelines. Today, we'll share practical insights and example to demonstrate how Tekla structure can save your time and money. So let's get started and see how precision with Tekla can improve your project. So let's start first by defining what is material takeoff, but I know most of you already know what is material takeoff. So material takeoffs are detailed lists of material needed for a construction project, generated from design drawings or model. This list specifies the quantity, type, and specification required to complete the project. And accurate material takeoff are essential to ensure the right materials are available at the right time, and preventing delays and reducing waste. So to understand the importance, think of it like grocery shopping. Without an accurate shopping list, you might buy too much or too little for certain items, so wasting time and resources. And also, same applies to the construction project. Without precise material takeoffs, you risk of ordering excess material, causes unnecessary costs, or ordering too few, which leads to the delay and reward. So as shown as the example on the presentation, this is a list of how grocery men. So this one is the one I use if I go to the grocery store, because if I don't get the right item for the recipe of my wife, magagalit siya sa akin. So that's also think of the construction material. If we do have the right construction material takeoff, our construction will on the process on the go. And then let me show you how the three high stake of the accuracy. So when it comes to material takeoff, precision isn't just best practice. So this is necessity. So even small errors can snowball into serious consequence. So let's break this down. First is the financial hit. So getting your takeoff wrong can push project cost up to by 20%. So that's money straight out of your project margin, and in some cases could put the entire project at risk. So accuracy isn't just a number, it's protecting your bottom line. And in real world lesson, imagine a project where underestimated steel requirements lead to still weeks of delays and tons of thousands of dollars in extra work. So pag nagkamali tayo ng estimate doon sa ating mga materials, it will delay our schedule and will cost us money. And then this is a common scenarios that happen especially in our project nowadays. And then the hidden cost behind direct expenses, inaccurate leads to wasted resources, increased labor costs, and potential damage to your reputation. So this the ripple effect of a single mistake can be substantial. So that's why accuracy in takeoffs isn't just number, it's ensuring project success from every angle. So let me share you some challenges you might encounter if you have an accurate material takeoffs. And I think some of you will relate on these challenges. First is the cost of inaccurate takeoffs. So getting your material takeoffs wrong can hit your budget hard. So first is the over-ordering. Buying too much ties up your cash, add storage costs, and often leads to overuse. Plus, material setting too long can degrade and becoming unusable. So that's money down the drain. So meaning lang yan, if sobrang dami na yung material natin na na-order, it will take up the space doon sa ating construction. At the same time, sa sobrang tagal na naka-impact yung project natin o yung ating material sa project, some of them is hindi na pwedeng gamitin, some of them are kinakalawang na, especially yung mga bakal natin na na-order. And then the other one is under-ordering. So not having enough material means delay. And then, siyempre kung delay, last minute rush orders at presumed prices. So, siyempre kung bigla ang order, yung deliver nun is mas mahal kasi nga biglaan yung pag-order natin. And also, it disrupt project timeline. So, shortage don't just slow things down. They frustrate your team and can put the entire project at risk. So, sabi nga, mas mabuti ng sobra kaysa kulang. Pero, ang sobra is nakakasama din sa atin sa construction. Tama? And then the real challenge is ordering just the right amount. It takes precise calculations and real-time adjustment to nail it every time. So that's why our solution, Tekla Structures, help you generate accurate material takeoffs, ensuring you get exactly what you need, no more and no less. And I will show you this on the next slide. So don't worry, I will not show you how to model Tekla structure because it will consume the whole day. So I'm here to show you how Tekla transform your material takeoff into a more accurate, efficient, and cost-saving process. So once the model is ready, Tekla Organizer lets you break down the project or location breakdown seamlessly. It can also sort your material by locations, for example, by floors or by part, making it easy to focus on specific components. So once your zoning is ready, you can easily check your members if ito is nakasama doon sa mga bawat floors natin or sa bawat groups natin. And then you can easily check the members that are not yet connected on that group. So you can easily group them. And then from this, you can check all the materials that are already on place. And with just a few clicks, you get precise material lists, ensuring you have exactly what you need with no more, no less. So for this, you can see you can select all the materials. For example, you want to select the first floor, and then the column on the first floor, how many columns on that first floor, and how many walls. And you can select the material takeoff if you want to get the report. And then group them by your standard. For example, you want to group them by names or by grade or by weight. And then you can also include the reinforcement on that specific concrete. And when your data is ready, exporting it to the Excel is simple. You just click the export to the Excel, it will go to the Excel, and you can easily put your company template. And if you miss some materials, you can easily add up, go back to the organizer, and then click them, and it will also add to your report. And we can generate a takeoff tailored to your workflow, all while maintaining accuracy and speed. So with Tekla Structure, material estimation isn't just faster, it's smarter. So second challenge is project delays. So getting your material takeoffs wrong doesn't just cost money. It can throw your entire project schedule off track. So first is the material shortage. Running out of key materials can bring work to a halt, pushing deadlines back, frustrating client. Every delay impacts the next phase of our construction. So ito is lagi itong na-encounter sa ating construction, especially if we are already on the implementation. So syempre, once na nagkulang yung ating material, kailangan natin umorder kaagad. So mapopost yung construction on that day, and mapupustrate tayo, lalo na yung mga site engineers natin. Also, if you do have an inaccurate material, supply chain can also disruption. So by unexpected delays in material delivery, whether due to the weather or logistic issues, compound the problem caused by inaccurate initial orders. And a small miscalculation can snowball into major setbacks. And as a domino effect, even minor delays can create a chain reaction, causing bottleneck and battle lag of tasks that are tough to recover. So smart planning is the key to keep everything on the schedule. So the solution, Tekla Structures help you generate accurate material takeoffs at the right time, ensuring your project stays on the track. So let me show you on this slide. Think of it, Tekla Structure as more than just a modeling tool. It also comes with a built-in task management system similar to Primavera or MS Project, helping you create and manage your project schedule with ease. So one of the advantages using our Tekla Structure by doing your schedule is Tekla links your material takeoffs directly to your schedule. That means every task gets the right material at the right time, reducing waste and delays. And then in Tekla Structure task management, you can easily set up task sequence. Tekla automatically calculates your production rates, You just simply input plan dates and update them with actual progress to compare schedules, track delays, and spot improvements. So from this, you have your schedule together with the model. You can easily see if you're on track or not, and then you can easily see the percentage of the completeness of the task. So from this, you can easily do a spot adjustment on your schedule. And then once the schedule is already complete, you can easily export it in your project schedule or import back to your MS Project or Primavera. Also, Tekla Project Visualizer inside the Tekla structure can help you to monitor your project. So Tekla Visualizer adds a color-coded view of your project progress, making it easier to track status, identifying bottleneck, and make informed. So for example, color red interprets as finished, kulay yellow is started, and then red is stoppage. So and color coding, you can easily view the status of your project. With Tekla structures, project scheduling isn't just efficient, it's smarter and more connected to your actual construction workflow. And then the third challenge is inefficient planning. So inefficient planning can result to an inaccurate forecasting. So guesswork in material estimation leads to over-ordering, under-ordering, or last-minute changes that disrupt the workflow and impact the budget. So to show you more of this, with Tekla structure, you're not just generating material take-offs, you're making them more accessible and useful on the site. So once you completed your model, you can easily give this model to your site engineer so that once the model is published to them, site engineers can easily access the material takeoff for tracking and reporting. So they can update statuses like whether rebars have been delivered or installed, so the office gets the right time inside. Also, they can locate materials that they want to make a order. And then need to place an order. It's no problem by using this model. Engineers can quickly find exact quantities, ensuring accurate purchasing without guesswork. Plus, the material takeoffs can be saved for future orders. So by keeping everything connected between the site and the office, Tekla structures help streamline your workflow, improve your coordination, and prevent material shortage or delay. And the second result for the initial planning is lack of coordination. So when teamwork in silos, miscommunication happens. Without a clear integrated plan, material orders, labor schedule, and construction tasks don't align, so causing unnecessary delays. So for our solution, we do have a Tekla status sharing between office and the site. You can use Tekla status. So these features enable real-time collaboration, allowing information to flow seamlessly from the office to site and vice versa. So with this simple approach, Site status updates can easily be reported back to the office. So our site engineers can quickly show what has been completed on the project and transmit that information for review in the office. And then in the office, can use the status sharing tool also to provide instruction on the next steps. So for example, if you're tracking progress on rebar work, you can create a summary that shows that the status of us have been delivered, fabricated, and placed on site. And then this makes tracking progress effortless and keeps everyone on the same page. And then you can also put some several actions, for example, placing formworks, placing rebar, and then that actions can see in whether in the desktop or in the cell phone. So using Tekla status sharing tool, meron kayong clear visualization of what's happening on the project. And then the third one is reactive, not proactive. So meaning, instead of anticipating issues, mostly ito yung nangyayari sa atin, inefficient planning forces teams to scramble for solution after problem arise. So this reactive approach costs time and money. But what if Tekla structure model can spot potential errors by overlaying it on your actual project? So what if you see your actual model on your actual progress project, and then this gives us the ability to identify critical issues early and address them without possible solution right away. So seeing your Tekla model on the actual site is a great way to improve collaboration with other disciplines, so like MEP or architectures. It allows you to easily create RFIs with clearer communications and a better representation of the issue. And then with this approach, it helps us to avoid material waste, delays, by identifying errors before they occur during the construction. So as you can see here in the video, you can easily see if your MEP will be clashes on your structural beam or not. And then by catching errors early, we can prevent costly mistakes, saving both material and time. So also this tool you can use also in maintenance. So if you want to maintenance your MEP, you can easily see the location of the MEP using the model. So you can ma-reduce mo na yung pag-locate ng mga MEP na naka-embed. At the same time, ma-locate mo na yung tamang pagbubutasan mo para ma-locate yung ating embeds. And then after the challenges, I want to show a success story by our client by using Tekla structures. So one of them is the Makati Development Corporation. So they use Tekla structures to incorporate all their models in the project. So as per Ma'am Cora, with Tekla software, we can easily import complicated structure from other software. So once they combine all the models from structures, MEP, and architecture, they can easily get material takeoff, accurate and precise. The second success story is from Mainline Steel. So the challenge this is the reinforcement is masyadong marami siya, and then there are a lot of clashes that need to consider. So by using Tekla structures, as Sir Tony Woods Said Tekla software adds enormous values by allowing you to identify a problem you may face before you fabricate or prefabricate your rebar. And then it also reducing wasted on fixing time by 60%. So imagine if this success story also translate in your company by using Tekla structures. And second is the Hasselden construction. So success story from Sir Jonathan. So he said, using Tekla software has enabled us to reduce concrete waste during estimating and placement by 33%. So our quantitative errors have been reduced to almost zero. So that's three companies that harness the benefits of using Tekla structure by producing accurate material takeoff. So Tekla structures, precision for construction. Tekla structure is more than just a software. It's a comprehensive tool designed to bring precision to every phase of the construction. So from the early stages of design to the final stages of construction, Tekla helps ensure that your material takeoffs are accurate and aligned with project requirements. So Tekla structure can produce a constructible model, and then out of that constructible models, Tekla structure can give you an accurate model, accurate material takeoffs. So by leveraging the power of building information modeling, Tekla structure automatically generates detailed, precise materials directly from your 3D model. With this, it eliminates the needs for manual calculations and reduces the chances of human error, leading to more accurate material quantities and better project outcomes. So for the last, by implementing accurate material takeoff, so reducing cost and time, our ROI, you can reduce your potential project cost by 10 to 20%. No? And then accelerate your workflow by 30% and minimize reward by 25%. This is all possible through precise modeling, effective material management capabilities, and also by leveraging accurate takeoffs, Tekla structures help you reduce both cost and time on your projects. It also minimizes your waste and improve your bottom line. So with Tekla structures, you can streamline the material takeoff process, reduce errors and discrepancies, ensure accurate and timely delivery of your material. It can also enhance collaborations among team from design to execution. So with Tekla structures, precision is built into every step, ensuring you deliver project on time, within budget, and within greater efficiency. So that's all for our webinar titled